algebraic expression. Question is, given that a plus 1 by 3a equals to 2, determine the value of a cube divided 1 divided 27a cube without solving for a. So we have to find out the result, a cube plus 1 by 27a cube. So first, here is given answer. Here given a plus 1 by 3a equals to 2, right? Then so we can write, so a cube plus 1 by 27 a cube. This one we can write, we know the formula for factorization, a cube plus b cube a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So similar for this one, we can write like this. Here is a cube plus this one is 1 3a cube. 3 cube means 27. Now we can write like this, a plus b, it means a plus 1 by 3a, then a square minus a means a, b means 1 by 3a plus b square means 1 by 3 square, right? Now look, this one we can write 2 because here is a plus 1 by 3a equals to 2, and this one is a square. Here a 1 by a we can cut, so here is minus 1 divide 3 plus 1 divide 9a square. Okay, now this one, what can we do? This one we can write another formula. We have a plus 1 by 3a, so this one also we can write like this. Here is 2, a square means a square, a plus 1 by 3a, so we have to make this one plus, then 2a and 1 by 9 square we can write 2ab. We are going to make this one a square plus ab plus 2ab plus b square, it means a plus b whole square. So our target, we make this expression like a plus b whole square. So we need a square, we have a square, we need b square, we have b square, like 1 by 9a square means 1 by what? We can write this one 1 by 3a square, it's looking b square. Now 2ab, look, here is 2a, a means a square, we can get from this a, and b means 1 by 3a. Now look, here is one thing, if we cut this one we can get 2 by 3, but here is minus 1 by 3. So look, 2 divide 3, we need 1 by 3 and also minus sign. So if we write this one like minus 1, look, 3 2 minus 3, it's looking minus 1 by 3. So for this expression we can minus 1, right? We can minus 1. Now look, this one is 2 and here is a plus 1 by 3a whole square and minus 1. So similar 2 and a plus 1 by 3a means again 2 square minus 1. So here is 2 square means 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So 2 times 3 and finally the answer is 6. So here is determine the value of a cube plus 1 by 27a cube. The result is what? 6. The result is, answer is 6. So hope you clear this one. This is very important math. Here we are following two algebraic formula. One is a cube plus b cube, it's a factorization formula, and this one is square formula. So our answer is 6. Thank you very much. Next video we will discuss more algebraic expression type math. Thank you.